while 25 million Americans are unemployed or underemployed, 1% of the American population owns 20% of the national wealth. While the economy is tanking, trillions of dollars in cash are sitting in corporate coffers with nothing to do. Is there a way out of this mess? Yeah, there is, and it's really simple. And I can explain it in 30 seconds of a song. Sing it high, sing it low, bullshit makes the flowers grow. Congress makes them overflow. Bring them low, hang them high, the best damn government money can buy. It ain't no lie, it ain't no sin. Save our country, play to win. Squeeze the fat tax and spread it out thin. Save our country, play to win. Squeeze the fat tax and spread it out thin. Save our country, play to win. Squeeze the fat tax and spread it out thin.